If you're still manually firming your entries on 3 time frames, you're wasting time and leaving clean profits behind. The key is seeing market structure logic instantly on every chart. Let me prove it right now. Quick note before we dive in, this exact logic can be instantly automated. Stick with me and I'll show you the tool that does it in the next few seconds. An instant fix only works because it perfectly maps market structure logic. We're breaking down that logic now. But wait, before we break it down manually, you need to know this logic is instantly automated. The Structure Companion tool is the ultimate fix, identifying all the highs, lows, and imbalances across all time frames. You are getting the tool, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support to make sure you use it perfectly. You're gaining a guaranteed system for structure analysis, not just software. This is your next step to trading with confidence and precision. Now listen close. That instant proof you just saw, the Structure Companion tool, is the reason. It takes everything you're about to learn manually and does it instantly across all time frames. If you know you need this guaranteed instant fix, the link is right below this video. Otherwise, let's look at how it works. Let's now look at using the multiple time frame and the use of statistics to allow you to find that better entry. Now, first, we're going to look at the pound out here on a daily time frame, go through the logic of understanding the structure before we go deeper into use of multiple time frames. And I'm going to show you how we can use the companion tool to allow you to do this with one click of a button. So first I'm going to turn on the companion tool now. Then what we're going to do is go through understanding the way we look at mapping out the actual structure first, then look at the multiple time frames, and then we'll look at this structure stats table as well to see how this can help us to find a trade. So we're on a daily time frame, and the first thing I want to look at is how do we look for this structure. Now you're going to find that the companion tool maps all this for me straight away. My change of character, my break of structure, my weak and strong highs and weak and strong lows, my internal structure, everything. It's going to map it all for me and my dynamic imbalances. Let's understand how we map this structure. We're first going to look at this here where we see the break to downside. Once we see a valid break, and now that is only created once we see a valid break with this candle closing through that structure. Now this is for a bearish market. It'll be slightly different for a bullish market, but potentially we'll look at that later. When we see this candle closing through, we look back for the last candle that closes up. That's this candle closes above this high. Now that then creates the valid high where you can see this level's been marked. We look for the same thing to the downside and we see a close up here in the market. That validates and gives us a valid low to be marked as well. So this becomes my weak low and my strong high in the current trading range. That's it. That's how simple it is to find those 3 levels to mark. Now, if you're not sure about this, do continue watching to the end of this video. The next video coming up goes through exactly those 3 rules, how you look to map this out. So now once we have this all marked out, we're also going to have our areas of leftover imbalances. These can act as potential liquidity gaps in the market. And I'll walk you through exactly what I mean right now on this. When we see this valid weak low created, the market comes back to sweep that weak low, and that creates some liquidity being taken. Once we take that liquidity, we close back up, we're likely to want to take liquidity to the upside. Now that's going to be as we see this potential pullback on this daily swing. We're going to want to take that internal structure high, and then we're going to run towards this imbalance above, where we're going to want to take the liquidity out of this imbalance. And that's the only imbalance on the way down. That means it's a very logical area we expect the market to run to. You can see eventually we do wick through, fully fill that imbalance where we failed to close through, and we're starting to run to the downside. That means the odds are now in our favor. The market may well run again for that weak low. Now, how do we again align this so it gives us even more odds? That's where we have the new added feature of the structure stats. And what this now shows me is that when looking at a actual change of character, let me just quickly go through the difference. The change of character is going to be when we see this first structure reversal bit. And when we have a solid break, it's going to be all other structures. So basically, any dash line change of character, we look at this as our stats, and anything else, we're going to look at the top table. So let me go through now exactly what this means. When we see this break of structure, we start to see the potential pullback. We have a valid reason now to potentially sell this market. We look at the valid potential percentage to run for the week low. This is going to be based at a 63.2%. That means any trades taken, potentially we've got percentage on our side. That gives us that edge when taking a trade. That's just on one time frame. We're going to do multiple time frames, and by the time we get to our 30-minute chart, I'm going to show you how you can do multiple time frame on the single time frame by using the companion tool here. So now we're going to go to our 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look at what we've got on the 4-hour. So again, what we see in the 4-hour time frame is we just had a change of character to the downside, but price is currently now holding at this previous imbalance level, this zone here in the market. We wicked through once, we made a sweep of that low, and potentially we can start to see a pullback now. That's going to create a valid week low. We don't have a valid week low at this point, and I'm going to show you on a 30-minute how we could have taken a trade understanding this. When we look at this at the moment, we've got a massive 72.7% on the fact that we could run for a week low once we understand what's happening here in the market. So we made a shift from a previous bullish shift to a bearish shift. Now we're looking for a pullback. Now remember, we're aligning everything with multiple time frames here. Let's now drop down to our 30-minute time frame. So on our 30-minute time frame, this is how we can now look at multiple time frame on one single time frame when using multiple companion tools. Now you can do this manually as well by understanding this logic by mapping out your charts I've just shown you at the beginning of this video. So we have here our daily change of character, our daily strong high, and our current week low in the market. Then when we go in closer, we can identify a previous change of character on the 4-hour, followed by another change of character of bearish here. If I zoom in, and you can see all this on the one single time frame. Then zooming in even more, we can identify this is our previous change of character on a 30-minute. This is our current strong high. This is our current week low on a 30-minute time frame. We zoom in so you can see this swing structure here. Now, when we look at this stat now for the 30-minute time frame, again, we're looking for our week lows to be run. We've got a 71.9% in our favor. If we're taking a trade here, if we find an entry, that is what's going to give us that edge in the market. Now remember, the companion tool that I'm using is just to give me that edge. It's nothing else. I'm not trading with this. It's to give me the edge in the market to quickly see everything with one single click. So what I want to concentrate on now is this move to the downside where we had this massive 71.9%. So let me just click on this and we'll go back to this area on the chart. So at this point in the chart, we've got a 71.9% chance the market's going to want to run for this week low. We've also got a previous area of imbalance that we never closed through. The market's going to gravitate towards again anyway. So this makes it even a better setup. And then we're looking at why this setup is valid. We've got this previous high and we got swept in the market. So now we see all this happening in real time. We just need a reason to take a trade on a lower time frame. So we drop down to a 5-minute here. You can look at a 3-minute, 1-minute, whichever you prefer. I do like using my 5-minute chart. Now you can see what's happened. We just created a change of character. So we're going to look at what? We're going to look at this bottom section again of the stats. We've got a week low being hit of a 63.2%, giving us that edge in the market. Now what I'm looking at is potentially we can see this break to downside and we're looking for a valid low. So let's go forward a candle, see if we get a close up. No, nothing. So it's waiting for a valid close up. We continue to be bearish. And this is what we're waiting for this valid close to the upside. Still nothing. Let's go a bit forward. Now, this candle here is just closed up. That creates a valid low. So now we have a valid trading range. Now that means I can look for a potential trade because one, I'm already looking for a sell to the downside. Now that I've seen this sweep in the market. Okay, we had this sweep of this high, leaving this as a valid high in the market. We've now made a break to downside of structure. That's a first break. We have a 63.2 chance the market will want to run for the week low once again. That's putting the odds into my favor. Going on to the 30-minute time frame, we already know that we're looking for a run for this 30-minute week low. After this sweep, we've got a massive 71.9% to run for that low. So now we go back again to that 5-minute. I'll show you how I take this entry. So the entry would basically be coming from this fill, okay, of this current zone. So let me just mark this out. I look for the full fill of this imbalance. The why there? Because it's above around that 50% area. So I can mark this off. Okay, anything below here, I'm not going to look to want to sell. I want to see inside this higher zone. Now we actually have a level marked right there. You can just faintly see that level. This level just right there has been marked. That is my 50% area of this current range in the market. I want to see price pushing above that range. So we could hold at this current area, but I want to be looking for the next one above to be fully filled. So this will be my potential entry. That means you can look for a potential first target to run this week low on the 5 minute, giving us around about a 63.2 potential chance that low is going to be hit. And then we can look for the final low down here with just under 5-hour trade. So let's now run this so you can see how this would work. We just take this arrow away. We'll slide this across. And we're basically looking for the market to make that pullback, tag us into this trade, and to run for this low. Now, the other thing is we've got a leftover imbalance here, which means once the market finds that area of interest to reverse the market, it's got to run for this zone. That's why I know price is going to take out this 5 minute week low. Let me just fast forward this. So we're moving, we're chopping sideways. Now we just created some equal highs here for liquidity. That's going to want to be run. That's going to fulfill this leftover imbalance to push up to the next imbalance above. Continue forward price. Let's see if we get that, and we do. We get a run through, filling that imbalance totally. We run up and fill the next imbalance, and we get tagged into this trade inside that supply. Now we expect price to run for that week low on the 5 minute and then go into this imbalance below. We use everything that helps us to make sure that the edge is in our favor. So we run the market now, hopefully, and we do. We take that 5 minute week low, which gave us that 64.2% chance to be run. And now we expect to run into the area of imbalance below. We go, we take that imbalance, and now we expect the week low on a 30 minute. We go to a 30 minute time frame. That's where we're looking for a 71.9% chance that we should now run for that week low. And we do straight away. That is how you're going to apply everything, understanding the logic of multiple time frames and using and understanding this stats here. Now, obviously, this is only part of the companion tool, but this will help you to identify and give you that edge in the market. So that's the structure companion tool. Your complete structure mapped automatically, validated across multiple time frames in seconds. Remember, when you get access, you are securing lifetime access to the indicator, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support. This isn't just a fix, it's a complete system for confident structure analysis. Don't waste another day manually drawing structure. The link to claim your full access is right below this video. If you want to go deeper into mastering this topic and building real consistency, watch this next video on market structure that uses the same process and system inside the 90-day profit trading system.